How to fix Pinterest comments on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest comments on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps or applications and then click apps again, and here type Pinterest and click on it and then click force stop, and now go to storage, clear cache, and now all your comments problems must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix it, now just turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and restart your phone and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to Play Store and update your Pinterest. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.